We made it to the national park and we had to stop in this little building to get our tickets. It was about $25 per person per day, but since we're coming tomorrow, we get a discounted rate, about 50% off of tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, we just turned the corner and there is the giant Perito Moreno Glacier. It is massive. I cannot believe how beautiful this is.
We stopped to get our first good look of the glacier.
I feel like I cannot believe my eyes. I've never seen anything like this before. It's huge and we're only gonna get closer and it's only gonna get bigger.
Now we're gonna go meet our boat so that we can be out on the lake right near the glacier.
We are about to board our boat to go look at all the mountains and the glacier.
It's getting pretty cold out here with the wind. Woo, we're getting so close to the glacier. I'm so cold.
It's so cool being this close to the glacier because you can really tell how tall it is and how much it just jets out of the water. Every time I look up and we're like approaching a new part of the glacier, I just keep saying, that's crazy, that's crazy, that's crazy. But this part is like so jagged. There's so many different parts of it.
We forgot how tall this was, but Jenny thinks it's around 60 meters from the ground, so that's pretty high.
A huge part of the glacier just fell off into the water and it was like, it was awesome.
Just got off the boat and now we're on to the next place.
We just got to, it's called the bridges, and so it's just like a bunch of bridges that go around the glacier, so we're gonna do a little hike all around it and see all the different parts of the glacier. Also, we learned on the way here that the Perito Moreno Glacier is the size of Buenos Aires city, so it is huge.
We're right here at the start. I think we're gonna take the blue trail. I think it's gonna be the prettiest one with the best view of the glacier and the lake, but you could also take the other ones. There's a yellow trail and a red trail. We might get on the red trail near the end, and the green trail goes through the forest. So it sounds really fun, but I guess we came here for the glacier, so probably won't do that one. Did you hear that?
The camera could hear it, but it just like cracked and probably some of it fell off. It was so loud.
We just heard another really loud crack. I think I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling the whole time. From this angle, you can really see how deep it goes. Whoa. Something just happened. So many stairs here.
I feel like every view we get of the glacier, it just looks so different, and I have a whole new appreciation for how huge it is. I just love how blue the water is. It's like such powder blue. It's just amazing.
You can see where the river meets the lake. The lake is the brighter blue and the river is the darker color. You can tell how small this boat is in comparison to the glacier, and that's not a small boat. Every so often, a part of the glacier breaks off and falls into the water, and one of these times I'm going to catch a really large break on this camera. We missed it again. It's okay, they happen like every 5 to 10 minutes. We'll find the next one. Nice. That was a tiny one, but at least we still got it on film. There we go. Wow.
We finally got it! That was the biggest one yet. That was massive.
We've seriously been hanging out here for like over an hour, and we finally saw a good break in the ice. That was worth the wait.
That red bug just bit me.
What is that?
So you can see this is all the glacier, and then it extends over that mountain range over there. So all of that is still glacier.
The tallest point on this glacier rises 67 meters above the water, but when you go down below the surface, it reaches 150 meters below the surface.
Also, this water back here, it's all like powder bluish. They call it glacier milk because it literally looks like blue milk. This peak over there is called the Perito Moreno Peak, I think.
There's the Patagonia bumblebees. Okay, I'm gonna look up what they're actually called. This albino bug just landed on me. Okay, it's probably not albino, but
That's kind of mean.
okay, the special ones are orange bumblebees. I don't know if these ones are the orange bright ones, but they're much bigger than normal bees that I would usually encounter. Today has made me really excited about what we're going to do in our next video.